Hello everyone. Today we're making crispy and flavorful chana tikki using simple ingredients. Heat a pressure cooker and add a little oil. Once the oil is hot, add cumin seeds, asafoetida and dried red chilies. Let them crackle for a few seconds to release their aroma. Now add the soaked black chickpeas, salt to taste, and give everything a good mix. Pour in some water. Close the lid and pressure cook until the chickpeas become soft and tender. Transfer the boiled chickpeas to a mixer jar and pulse them into a coarse mixture. Don't make a smooth paste. A little texture gives the tikki a better bite. Add ginger garlic paste, chopped green chilies, finely chopped onion and fresh coriander leaves. Mix everything really well until the ingredients are evenly combined. If the mixture feels too soft, you can add a little roasted gram flour to bind it. Grease a hot tawa with desi ghee. Take a portion of the mixture, shape it into a round tikki, and place it gently on the tawa. Cook the tikkis on medium heat until they're golden brown and crisp on both the sides. A delicious chana tikki is ready to serve. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes.